Let's see how to open the hood of a Toyota Corolla. First, park your Toyota Corolla on a level surface and turn off the engine. Locate the hood release lever inside the car, usually under the left side of the dashboard. Pull the lever towards you. You should hear a click. Next, go to the front of the car. Slide your fingers under the hood near the center to find the secondary safety latch. Push this latch up or to the side while lifting the hood. Secure the hood with the support rod. When closing, lower the hood slowly and ensure it latches properly. This applies to all gasoline, hybrid, and EV models. If the hood doesn't open, the release cable might be damaged or corroded. Check the cable, especially if you live in an area with salt. If the lever feels loose, it could indicate wear. Consider professional inspection. Always double-check that the hood is securely latched after closing to prevent accidents. The Toyota Corolla uses a dual latch system for safety. Make sure both the primary and secondary latches are functioning correctly. If you're unsure about any step, consult your vehicle's owner's manual or seek assistance from a qualified mechanic.